Hey guys, Aaron Vanderveen down here with Sherwood Dodge. Sitting beside me, I have a brand new 2020 Ram 1500 Sport. Now, this vehicle does come equipped with a lot of safety features, and one major thing I'd like to point out is it does come with your forward front collision, along with your 360 camera and your park alarms in the front. Now, if you're making your way to the side here, it does come with your blind spot detection as well. And with that on the door, it does come with your keyless entry with your electric running boards as well. Now moving to the side here, it does come with your RAM boxes, which can be locked. For extra storage on the inside, storing tools or whatever you need. It does come with 115 volts as well. But making your way to the back, we got a couple of new features. So we got the easy drop tailgate, which comes pretty standard with all the 2020s. But if you pull it back up, you can actually open it like this to make it a little easier to go in and out without having to drop the tailgate. Now if you guys want to follow me inside, I'd like to show you a couple features. Alright guys, now that we're inside the 2020 Ram 1500, I'd like to show you a couple features. This one does come tricked out with a lot of your safety features, so it has your adaptive cruise control on the steering wheel here. Now if you're going to the 12-inch screen, you do have your lane keep and your self park as well. Now down here you have your park alarms for your front and your rear. Now this vehicle also comes with your 4 high and 4 low, but it also comes with your 4 auto, so your truck will sense when it needs to go into 4 high and it'll kick it in for you without you having to change anything. Now this vehicle does come equipped with a 12-inch touchscreen, and it does come with your vented and heated seats in the front with your heated seats in the rear, of course. Now this vehicle also comes equipped with your nav, and it also comes with your wireless charging port down here in your phone holder. Your wireless charging pad, and you got your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay hookups right here. Now you also have a customizable center console with one USB in the center here and extra storage underneath. Now this vehicle also comes equipped with a nice panoramic sunroof and a black headliner as well. Now if you guys have any beautiful questions about this 1500, please give me a call at 780-729-5517. I hope to hear from you guys soon.